When you're investing in a handcrafted centerpiece like a handmade dining table, you can see how beautiful it is right away. But the secret to a table that will last for generations is in its measurements, especially how thick the tabletop is. For example, the thickness of your tabletop has a big effect on how strong it is, how it looks, and how comfortable it is to use. A thicker wooden tabletop can hold more weight, especially if the table is long or made of softer wood. Even if you use them every day, thick tops are much less likely to bend, crack, or sag over time. A thin tabletop makes your table look modern and light. On the other hand, a thick top makes it look strong and bold. The thickness you choose changes the whole look of your table. The best thickness makes the table easy to sit at and makes the legs and base look balanced. It could hit your knees when you sit down if it's too thick, or it might look too weak and flimsy if it's too thin. The thickness of your dining room tabletop depends a lot on the style of your home. We'll break down what the best thickness for your dining table is based on how tables are usually designed. For modern minimalistic spaces, 1 to 1.25 inches is your sweet spot. It looks light and airy without losing strength, especially when used with our custom steel bases. If you want something that isn't too heavy or too light, choose 1.25 to 1.5 inches. It's the standard for daily family use and looks great on almost any hardwood. Now, if you want a statement piece, for example, a farmhouse, a rustic look, or a deep epoxy river, then 1.5 to 2 inches is where the magic happens. This thickness adds visual weight and unmatched durability for large gatherings. The thickness of the tabletop you choose will directly affect how tall the table is when it's finished, which will affect how much legroom you have and how easy it is to use. To make sure everyone can sit comfortably, you can discover the maximum thickness compatible with your current base. For detailed step-by-step instructions on how to measure the tabletop thickness, please visit our website to read the full blog article. In general, the best thickness for a dining table should be between 1 and 2 inches. It will also depend a lot on the style of your home and how you use it in your daily life. You can read the whole guide on our blog or start building your own right now. Just a click away is the perfect thickness for you.